Why does Earth float in space? Have you ever looked at pictures of Earth from space and wondered, why is Earth just floating there? It seems like our planet is just hanging in the middle of nowhere with nothing holding it up. But the truth is, Earth isn't actually floating, it's moving in a very special way. To understand this better, let's break it down into simple points. 1. Space has no up or down. Imagine you're in a giant ocean with no land in sight. You wouldn't know which way is up or down because everything around you looks the same. Space is just like that. There is no top, bottom, or middle, just empty space everywhere. On Earth, we feel the ground under our feet, so we know where down is. But in space, there is no ground, which is why Earth looks like it's floating freely. 2. Earth is in an invisible grip. Gravity. If there's nothing under Earth, why doesn't it just drift away? The answer is gravity. Gravity is an invisible force that pulls objects toward each other. The sun's gravity is super strong and constantly pulls Earth towards it. This pull is why Earth stays in place instead of floating away. Think of a rope tied to a ball that you're spinning in circles. The rope pulls the ball toward your hand, just like the sun's gravity pulls Earth toward it. 3. Why doesn't Earth fall into the sun? If the sun is pulling Earth, why doesn't Earth just fall straight into it? Because of speed. Earth is moving very fast, about 107,000 kilometers per hour, way faster than a rocket. This speed keeps Earth moving forward instead of falling directly into the sun. It's like riding a bicycle. If you go fast and turn, you keep moving in a curve instead of falling over. So, Earth is always falling toward the sun, but because it's moving forward so fast, it keeps missing it and stays in orbit. 4. Everything in space is falling. Astronauts on the International Space Station, ISS, look like they're floating, but they're actually falling around Earth at the same speed as their spaceship. Imagine jumping off a tall building. Don't try this. For a moment you feel weightless as you fall. The ISS and everything inside it are falling toward Earth, but because they move forward very fast, they never hit the ground. This is exactly how Earth orbits the sun. It's constantly falling, but also moving forward. Conclusion: Earth is not floating, it's orbiting. So Earth isn't just sitting still in space, it's moving incredibly fast while the sun's gravity keeps pulling it inward. This perfect balance between speed and gravity keeps Earth in orbit instead of flying away or crashing into the sun. In simple terms, there's no up or down in space. The sun's gravity pulls Earth like an invisible rope. Earth moves so fast that it keeps missing the sun, staying in orbit. Everything in space, including astronauts, is actually in free fall. This is how all planets, moons, and satellites stay in space. Like, subscribe if you want more space exploration videos. Turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload.